Govindavadi Purisam Tam. Very high grip, Prabhu. That's how. So you have to construct a temple there, like this. Huh? Huh? Thank you. So you like this? This chandelier? Very good. The Gorar Pade Pran Sapete, Gorar Sampad say to that. This is a song by Bhakti Thakur. He said that one who has dedicated his life for Lord Chaitanya, he sees everything belongs to Lord Chaitanya. Hare Krishna. Now, mantra. Tishtat tasmin napumatarishya vidati Thank you. The Supreme Lord walks and does not walk. He is far away, but he is very near as well. He is within everything, and again he is outside of everything. This is the process of understanding Krishna consciousness. He walks and does not walk. Just like crude example I give you, that the sun at noontime it is on your head, and somebody walking eastern side or western side, he also sees the sun is also walking. A long ago, about 40 years ago, when I was householder, my second son, he was 4 years old, he was walking with me, and he said, "Oh, Father, why the moon is coming with us?" This is very intelligent, yes. So similarly, if a material object can walk so swift, you have seen, you are going on aeroplane or train, you will see the moon or sun is going with. So how it is not possible that Krishna cannot walk? Although he is situated, but you ask your friend, where is the sun, where is the moon? He will say, oh, it is on my head. Similarly, Goloka nivasaty akhilātma-bhūtaḥ. Kṛṣṇa, although he is in Vṛndāvana, Goloka Vṛndāvana, enjoying pastimes with his associates, he is everywhere according to the position, shape, form, activities, everywhere. That's why it is said here, the Supreme Lord walks and does not walk. He does not go from his abode. He is fully enjoying, but at the same time, everywhere he is. Everyone is walking. Just like we offer food stuff, so do not think that Krishna is not accepting. Krishna is accepting. Because he can spread his hand immediately if you offer something with devotion. Taya bhaktya puritam asnami. Krishna says, anyone offering me something with faith and love, I eat. People may ask, oh, Krishna is far away in Goloka Vṛndāvana, how he eats, how he takes. Oh, that is God. Yes, he can take. Therefore it is said, He walks, he does not walk. Immediately comes. But you must have the qualification to call him. If you are actually a devotee, immediately Krishna is present. Just like Hiranyakasipu challenged devotee Prahlad, where is your God? Do you think the Prahlad was looking to the column? Or do you think your God is here? All right. He immediately broke. Krishna. That is Krishna. Yes. So, this is explained here. This is Vedic mantra. This is the proof. Veda mantra. Why we are attached to Veda mantra? Veda mantra is the proof of everything. Whatever is said in the Vedas, that is fact. Unless you take some axiomatic truth in that way, you cannot make progress. Just like in geometry, there are so many axiomatic truths. You have to accept it. The point has no length, no breadth. Things equal to the same thing are equal to one another. These are axiomatic truths. Similarly, the Vedas, they are truth. We have to accept. Just like I have given an example in my book. The concept is the bone of an animal. The Vedic injunction is if you touch the bone of an animal, immediately become impure, and you have to take your bath. But here is a bone which is used in the deity room. But you cannot argue, you said that bone is impure, as soon as you touch it, you become impure and you are putting it in the deity room. No argument. You have to accept. This is Veda. You cannot argue. Similarly, spiritual master's order, you have to accept. There is no argument. In this way you can make progress. Sadhu Shastra Guru Bhakko Tinete Koriyat. If we argue, natat tarkena jujay. Achinta khaluje bhava, natas tarkena jujay. Things which are inconceivable by you, you cannot argue, then it will be a failure. You have to accept that axiomatic truth. It is not dogma. It is not dogma in this sense, but because our predecessor Acharya, they accepted. What you are, that you are arguing. So that is the proof. Mahajana jena gatasya pantha. Tarka pratishtha sutayo vibhinya. If you argue, there is no conclusion. The argument will go on. You put some argument, I put some argument. That is not the process. Sutayo vibhinna. Scriptures in different countries, different circumstances, different scriptures, they are also different. Then tattva pratishtha sutayo vibhinya naso munijja samatangana bhinyam. And so far philosophical speculation is concerned, one philosopher is putting some theory, another philosopher putting some theory, there is contradiction, and unless you defy another philosopher, you cannot be a famous philosopher. That is the way of philosophical. Then, how to get real information? That is stated, the dharmasya tattang nihitang guhayam. The secret of religious process is lying in the cave or within the heart. So, how to realize it? Mahajana jena gatasya pantha. You have to follow great personalities. Therefore, we are trying to follow Lord Krishna, Lord Chaitanya. That is perfect. You have to take evidences from the Vedas. You have to follow the instructions. The success is here. That's all. Thank you very much. Chant Hare Krishna.